So I got me a 120 in 1 screwdriver set. This is from YINSAN. I'm going to open it up and check it out. This got a bunch of different bits in here. I don't even know which side to start on. Let's start over here. Mobile phone or repair tools for screw memory mat. So if you're working on a mobile phone, this comes with a mat. Actually, not just a mobile phone, but any small electronic device. And that's what these are mainly used for, is like working on phones and small electrical devices. That's kind of a nice thing to have. It's magnetized. Comes with our 120 in 1 toolkit details. A little paper here goes over your different bits. Here's our driver. I like the way these fit in there, it looks like. That's cool. We might not open this up because this has got some stuff in it. I do not know what it is. So we're going to go over these. Of our handle. Okay. Let's see what this is. This is a flexible extension shaft. When you're working on something and you need to reach in a little further, you can reach in there a little further. It's really cool. I like that. Have a small set of tweezers, plastic pry tool if you need to pry open a phone or whatever it is you're working on. Have pry tools, very nice. And I believe this is just a adapter here, a small adapter. We'll put this back in here and we'll flip over to the other side. We have suction cups in here as well. We'll leave this out so we can experiment a little bit. Oh man, look at all those different bits. That is a lot of bits. Okay, this is why you need the adapters, because it's got some larger ones in here. That's cool. It's got your little pry tools. Look like guitar picks, but they're for prying open small items, like cell phones and different things such as that. We have a magnetizer and a demagnetizer. Very cool. And a boatload of different bits. This has Torx Pentable, Hawks, Torx Phillips, Hawks socket, triangle, a Y-tip, and a flathead. There's some tips on here. I do not know what they are, to be honest with you, but it's got them. I don't think you're going to find a small electronic device that you are not going to be able to disassemble if you so desire. This is a nice, full, complete set. It has some different little sockets here. You have the small items that you need to get in there and work with. You have them right here. Very nice set. So if you work on small electronic devices, or say like a computer, which is mainly what I do when I'm working on small stuff like this, or if you work on cell phones, whatever you are working on that requires small bits, this little screwdriver set could be very beneficial to you. It's going to be beneficial to me when I need it. It's one of those things that you don't need until you need it. And when you need it, you better hope you have it. Otherwise, oh, look at that. I didn't even know that. That is cool. So you can adjust this to the different lengths. I just noticed that. I just discovered that. Pull this handle down just a little bit. That will slide out. Put it in. You can go to that first notch. It'll be right there. You push it on in. Be right there. Different lengths. Very, very nice set. I like this. Even it looks like even if you make an adjustment on your glasses, these bits, well, there's something in here that I can almost guarantee is going to fit anything that you're going to mess with that's this small. I highly suggest having these if you work on anything, like I said, like a computer, phones, watches, jewelry, adjusting your glasses, whatever the case is. Definitely a nice little set. I like it. By the way, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through my links, I will make a small commission on. Thanks for watching.